to hard reset Itel A56, which can equally be called Itel W6004. All you have to do is, or the first thing you have to do is to power off the device.
My guys, this Calabar, one short person at Calabar.
I'm waiting for the device to fully power off. As you can see, the device is fully powered off. The next thing you have to do is to press the power key and the volume down key together for a few seconds. Press the volume down key and the power key together for a few seconds. You release the power key when you see the Itel logo coming up. I'm waiting for the Itel logo to come up so I can release the power key and continue to hold the volume down key for a few seconds. Continue to hold the volume down key for a few seconds until you see the recovery menu. The recovery menu is here, all thanks to the volume down key and the power button being pressed together for a few seconds. The next thing you have to do in order to hard reset your Itel A56 is to use your volume down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. When you take your cursor all thanks to the volume down key to wipe data stroke factory reset, use your power key to select to this menu in order to help you to hard reset your Itel A56. Use your volume down key or your down volume to select yes. Remember, when you use yes, it will wipe all your data on the phone. This will help you to clear your forgotten password, your PIN, your pattern, etc. As you can see, I don't want to reset this phone because there is no problem with it. I created this video to help you to unlock or reset your Itel A56 when you might have forgotten your password. So use your volume down key to select your wipe data stroke factory reset in order to hard reset your Itel A56, otherwise known as Itel W6004. Check out this channel. This is Brain Tech for more interesting videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, comments wherever you have any problem on this video, and I'll be happy to respond in few minutes. We have other interesting videos like how to unlock any Itel device. We have other tutorial on unlocking, networking, internet, programming, and more videos. Share this video with your friends after watching, and we'll be glad you did that. This is Brain Tech YouTube channel. Stay tuned or stay put for more videos.